Welcome back to Bloom. According to the CDC, Florida is home to the metro area with the highest rate of new HIV diagnoses in the nation. The Tampa Bay region ranks in the top 25, and Hillsborough and Pinellas counties rank among 48 counties nationwide where half of all new HIV diagnoses are occurring. The numbers are rising, making it even more important for residents to get tested. Local nonprofit Empath Partners in Care, or EPIC, has recently launched an HIV test that anyone can use now in the comfort, privacy, and safety of their own home. Joining us now to discuss is Keayea, Prevention and Outreach Coordinator with EPIC. Welcome, Keayea.
Well, thank you for having me.
First of all, I want to say how exciting it is to have you in studio. I know we're kind of sitting further apart because we're social distancing, but it's great to have guests back, especially someone like you that have such a great but important message of a way that people can get tested in the privacy of their own home. Tell me about the test.
Well, the test is absolutely great. A lot has changed, as you know, because of COVID. And so the outreach team, we usually go out into rural areas and provide free HIV testing with a finger prick, something like a sugar cell anemia check. But now we use the oral quick, and it's quick and easy. You can send it to individuals when they call in and want a private test. It's an oral swab, so you swab both sides of the mouth, and then you get a rapid result within, I would say, 5 minutes. On the box, you'll see about 20 minutes, you know, because some individuals might be nervous or not knowing what to do once they open the package, but it's really quick. It's really about 5 minutes for the results.
That's really fascinating that you're able to do all of this and somebody can do it in the comfort of their own home. The numbers, though, very, very alarming. Tell me about that.
All right. The numbers, I believe, are still climbing only because people are not taking it so seriously. And I think because of the COVID and different alarming situations that we've had in the U.S. lately, people have been combining, you know, having comforts in their own home, a lot more sexual activities and things like that, because there isn't much else to do. And so people are not practicing. They don't have the influencers out there in the community as much to tell them, hey, remember to use a condom or use some type of protection so that we can keep the numbers lowering. Because at one period, the numbers were plummeting down, you know, pretty well.
Right. I guess that does make total sense because, you know, we always say, you know, if there's a storm or a blackout, you know, babies are born.
That's right.
Now with COVID-19, we have been spending a lot of time locked down together, and you're right, the message isn't out there as strong as it has been in the past because it's probably getting the override of COVID-19. So what else are you guys doing for the community to help educate and get the word out and let people know about this testing?
I'm glad you asked. One of the misconceptions is that we have stopped our services. That is not true. Our doors are still open in 2 locations for HIV testing, in St. Petersburg office and our Clearwater office. We also still use our mobile unit to go out in the areas to test, along with campaigning that we do oral quick testing now. So we've offered even one more way to test, and I'm very proud of it. It has helped a lot of people in their homes, teenagers that didn't want to come in with their parents, or even the elderly call in and say, hey, can I have an oral quick test? And I'll walk them through on the phone. One of the things that we recommend is that you either call us when you receive the test so that we can walk you through it, so that if you have a positive result, you won't feel like you're at the end of your life care. You know that it's just a situation that can be treated, and you have a team of support at EPIC, or you can reach out to one of your other local healthcare facilitators about HIV. So
how do folks get a hold of you guys?
All right, you can call us at EPIC, and our phone number is 727-328-3260, and you can ask for either myself, Keayea Allen, or one of our other prevention team specialists, and we'll be glad to get back with you.
I have to tell you, it is really comforting to know, especially in these times, that folks like yourself are out there, you're ready to help, you're just a phone call away, and so we want to give the website for folks. You can visit myepic.org online. Keayea, thank you so much for coming in studio with us at Bloom. It's so nice to meet you in person.
Nice to meet you too.
All right, we'll be back with more Bloom right after this.